How to stop Snapchat calls from showing up on your call log. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can stop Snapchat calls from showing up in your call logs. So let us begin. First thing you'll want to do is go to your settings, and after you're on your settings, scroll down till you see privacy and security. Tap on it. Now after you're there, scroll down and you will see contacts. Tap on contacts. Now on your contacts, scroll down till you find Snapchat. After you find Snapchat, make sure that you remove the access of Snapchat from your contacts. And after you do that, what you'll need to do is scroll down and go to analytics and improvements. Tap on it and make sure that you turn off share iPhone analytics. After you've done that, you must be good to go, and now Snapchat calls will stop showing up on your call logs. And that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take